In this video, I'm going to show you how to export files in Evernote quickly and correctly, whether you want to back up your notes, move them to another device, or save them in a format you can open later. This is a simple process, but there are a few important choices along the way, like selecting the right notes, choosing the best file format, and saving everything in the right place. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more useful software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump into it. First, open the Evernote desktop app and log into your account. This process works best in the desktop version because that is where Evernote gives you the full export options. Once you're inside your account, take a moment to find the notes or notebooks you want to export. If you only want to export a few individual notes, hold Control on Windows or Command on Mac while clicking each note you want. Evernote lets you select up to 100 notes at a time, which is really helpful if you want to batch export without doing everything one by one. After selecting your notes, right-click on the selection and choose Export. If you want to export an entire notebook instead, go to the Notebooks list in the left-hand panel. Find the notebook you want, click the three dots next to it, and choose Export Notebook. This is the faster option if you want everything inside a notebook saved in one go. Now, Evernote will ask you to choose a file format. This is an important step because the format you pick determines how your exported files can be used later. If you want the best backup option, choose ENEX. ENEX is Evernote's standard export format, and it preserves important details like tags, creation dates, and note metadata. That makes it the best choice if you want to import the content into another Evernote account later, or keep a proper backup archive. If you want something easier to open outside of Evernote, choose HTML. HTML is a great option if you want to read your notes in a web browser on your computer, even when you're offline. Evernote may also give you the option for multi-page or single-page HTML, depending on the export type. These are useful if you want to organize your notes for easier viewing in a browser-based format. Before you finish, Evernote may let you select which attributes to include in the export. This could include things like tags, author information, or created dates. If you want the export to be as complete as possible, leave the metadata option selected. If you want a cleaner file with less extra information, you can uncheck the attributes you don't need. Once you've confirmed the format and export settings, click Export. A save window will appear, and now all you need to do is choose where you want to store the file on your computer. You can save it to your desktop, a documents folder, or an external drive if you're making a backup. After selecting the location, click Save, and Evernote will begin exporting your notes or notebook. Depending on how much content you selected, this may take a few moments. When it's done, you'll have a file saved on your computer that you can keep as a backup, move to another app, or open later as needed. If you exported in ENEX format, you now have a strong backup copy of your Evernote content. If you used HTML, you'll be able to view the notes in your browser more easily. So that's how to export files in Evernote, step by step. You simply open the desktop app, select the notes or notebook, choose your format, adjust the attributes if needed, and save the export to your computer. It's a quick process once you know where everything is, and it's a great habit if you want to protect your notes or move them somewhere else. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more Evernote tips, app tutorials, and simple software walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.